Hello, good morning mga kasolar. This is the actual production of solar system grid tie solar powered installed by ENE at Manila Catering Corporation. So in the mobile app makikita natin na 59.15 kilowatts nanggagaling kay solar. 28.89 kilowatts lang yung kinukuha nila kay Meralco. Ang total loads nila o yung total consumption is 88.04 kilowatts. So makikita natin sa graph yung kulay pula, yan yung consumption. Yung kulay blue, yan yung production. So yung production and consumption, ayan. So mula nung umandar yung inverter kaninang umaga, ang total production power na galing kay solar is 140 kilowatts na as of this time. Yung kanyang consumption naman today is 671.87 kilowatts. So ayan mga kasolar, ang laki ng natitipid ni Manila Catering ngayon. So cloudy pa yung panahon. So mamaya pagka nagpakita pa si Haring Araw, yung 59.15 kilowatts na yan na production, pwedeng tumaas pa yan. Tapos yung grid pwedeng mag zero yan mamaya. Si grid is Meralco, yung production is solar. Yung consumption naman, yan yung mga loads o yung mga appliances ni Manila Catering. So that's all mga kasolar. Thank you.